Hello guys, welcome to TechnoKing. Today we'll write our first program. For learning any new programming language, everyone should start with the Hello World program. Because in the Hello World program, you will learn the basic syntax of any programming language. First of all, go to Files, then hold the mouse on New and then click on Empty File. Now we'll write our Hello World program. Every program will start with the inclusion of required header files. The header files contain many commonly used functions and macro definitions. We include header files by writing #include space, then within the angle braces we write the header file name with .h at the end. For example, we write this. After including the header files, we need to create the main function. Remember that every C program starts from the main function and main must be an integer type. I'll tell you later in this video why main must be an integer type. To create the main function, we have to write int, which stands for integer, then space, then main, and these parentheses. Within these parentheses, we can pass some arguments. In this case, we will not pass any arguments, so we'll leave it blank. Okay. After that, we have to write these curly braces. The left curly brace indicates the beginning and the right curly brace indicates the end of the main function. Within these curly braces, we will write our program. For the Hello World program, we just have to output a text in a window. So we write printf, then these parentheses. Within these parentheses, we have to pass an argument which is our text. In our case, Hello World. So write within these double quotes, write Hello World, and in the end give a semicolon. In the next line, we will tell our program to wait for a user input before closing itself. So we have to write getCh and parentheses and semicolon at the end. This getCh stands for get character. After that, we will write return space 0 and then semicolon. This return statement will assign the value 0 in the main function. The value of main is considered the exit status of the application. Generally, the exit status code 0 means that the program executed successfully. If you get anything other than 0 as exit status, that means most probably your program does not run successfully. So let's save our program. I will save it in my C program, which is located in desktop. Then click on this gear with play button. This button will compile and run this code. As you can see, our code has run successfully and asking for a user input. Let me hit any key. Now we can see that the program says process returned 0. That means our program executed successfully. I know for a pure beginner this video is extremely complicated. But if you get the basic syntax, then you are good to go. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below. To get all of the updates from my channel faster than anyone, you have to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. See you in the next video.